This is an interesting panel here. It could represent the sun. There's a bear track. Could be a coyote down below the bear. Of course, this is something that many people want to see. We'll come around here so you can see that it's actually done in relief. There's one more about 40 feet from here, but it's not exposed like this one. It's actually in between two rocks. There are a number of petroglyphs right in this immediate area. This is what many people look for, though it is remote. Here is some more petroglyphs right behind it. A lot of times what looks like a barbell means that someone met here. So there were two people that met at this site. Right up here is a bighorn sheep. The other symbols, I don't know what they mean. Some people may. And the trail goes off up into here, and there's some more petroglyphs. And then it goes up the canyon, up that way, to many other types of petroglyphs. Some of them being quite old, meaning a few thousand years. I'm going to turn back around now to this one that is a flower or sun, I don't know which. But the boulder itself is balanced. It had to be propped up here, probably multiple first people that lived here propped it up, and underneath there are small pieces of stone. They keep it balanced, that keep it from wobbling. So it has been placed here, again, how long ago? 800, 1,000, 2,000 years ago? It's hard to say, but probably recognizing the interesting parts of the boulder and utilizing that.